Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School. Today let's start our revision chapter unit 3 for your unit test 2. I hope you started study well for unit test. Okay बच्चे, here I given the paper style of English. First Roman is which one? Glossary. Understand no? Glossary means yes, meanings. So बच्चे learn by heart this glossary whatever I given in PDF as per chapter. So here Roman, first answer the following. Write up as many objects as you can. From unit 3 water, water everywhere. We already understood this chapter. So you have to mention in this answer many objects. Sun, clouds, rain, sea, water evaporation, river, highlands. What is happening to the water in the picture? Owing to the terrible heat of the sun, the water in the ocean evaporates and goes up in the air to form clouds. When the water vapor condenses into cloud, it brings rain. Once more, the fallen rain makes streams and rivers and reach the ocean. This is how the water cycle completes. So you have to mention this answer as a water cycle. In activity 2 they given glossary puddle, a small pool of liquid on the ground. Okay, learn by heart from this unit 3 full glossary as per activity. In activity 3 mention answer the following. What characters have been mentioned in this story so far? The character mentioned in the story so far are the boy Vijay, his mother and the village people making noise. Second question, while Vijay was sleeping, something happened to wake up the other people in the house. What do you imagine might have happened? They must have got water supply at an old hour at midnight, and they might be busy filling and storing water in the bucket and small utensils. Midnight, we also tired now how to wake up as per that in that village. Ask your classmates this answer you have to write from PDF. Now additional question answer. What was Vijay fond of? Vijay was fond of playing with water. What did Vijay do by filling a big tub with water? By filling a big tub of water, Vijay played with his toy bought in there. This is the waste of waters. Always save water, save earth. We understood from this lesson. What advice of his mother did Vijay not listen to? Vijay did not listen to his mother's advice of not to waste water. Okay, बच्चे, this question answer you learn by heart as per activity. Select the appropriate words. So this means MCQs. Vijay was fond of playing with water. What did Vijay pretend mud puddle as a bathtub? Okay, understand that, right? You. Whom did Vijay's mother and Vijay visit in a small village? Vijay's uncle. Okay, MCQ finish. Now we go activity 4, 5, 6. I also mention glossary, new words. Answer the following. Write one sentence describing what Vijay will do with the water. Vijay will water the plants in his garden. With this understood the importance of water. He will not waste the water because when he visited his uncle's house, है ना, at village. He understood how to save water. Don't waste water. Okay बच्चे, as per you learn by heart these additional question answer also. So many question answer are given here. MCQs also. No water from the water tap and water stored in buckets. Surprised, no Vijay? Yes, because he lived in city. And the scarcity of water. When he visited his uncle's house in a village, then he faced. So he understood how to save water. Okay, बच्चे, I hope you understand these MCQs, glossary, question answer, and also you learn by heart this full lesson. Read out 2-3 times. I asked true or false from textbook. Okay, बच्चे, we will see next activity in our next video. Take care, stay home, stay safe.